The zone of inhibition is the clear area around the disc where bacteria are unable to grow. So the larger the zone, the more effective the antibiotic is, and if there's no zone of inhibition, then the bacteria are resistant to the antibiotic. Okay, step 1 for the Kirby-Bauer test is to prepare the plates, sterilize the area in the plates, and then my first step is going to be moisturizer. Okay, step 2 for the Kirby-Bauer test is to prepare the bacteria. So isolate a pure culture of bacteria from a patient, and then my step 2 is going to be primer. Step 3 for the Kirby-Bauer test is to grow the bacteria. So grow the bacteria on an agar plate, and my step 3 is going to be foundation. Step 4 for the Kirby-Bauer test is to inoculate plates, so swab the plates with the bacteria, and then my step 4 is going to be concealer.
The 5th step of the Kirby-Bauer test is to add the antibiotic-impregnated discs on the agar plate, and then my next step in my makeup routine is I'm going to apply some blush and highlighter. Okay, now that that's over with, the next step in my routine is I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara while I talk to you guys about who developed the test. So it was first created in the 1950s by William Kirby and Alfred Bauer, hence the name of the test. Later, it went on to be standardized by the World Health Organization in 1961. Okay, so my first step for my routine is I'm going to be taking my moisturizer and my tanning drops, combining them and applying it to my face. So the Kirby-Bauer test, what is it? Well, the Kirby-Bauer test, also known as the Kirby-Bauer disc diffusion test, is commonly used to test the sensitivity of bacteria and fungi to antibiotics. This test helps doctors choose the right treatments for their patients. Hi, excuse the noise in the background, but let's do a simple get ready with me while I explain what the Kirby-Bauer test is, who developed the test, and the last 4 steps on how to perform the Kirby-Bauer test. The 6th step is to incubate the plates upside down. And my next step in my routine is I'm just quickly going to apply a little bit of pencil and gel to my eyebrows. So the 7th step is to measure the zone of inhibition around each disc. And my next step is to just apply some lip gloss. So the last and final step of the Kirby-Bauer test involves comparing the zone of inhibition size to a standardized chart to see if the bacteria are susceptible, intermediate, or resistant to the antibiotic. And my last and final step in my routine is to spray some setting spray. That way everything stays in place all day.
Hi guys, get ready with us.
We're going to be showing you guys our lip routine. Okay, so our first step is going to be Benetton.
PD, wait, I have a question. What is the role of standardized antibiotic discs in the Kirby-Bauer test?
Okay, it's basically to ensure consistent and reproducible antibiotic susceptibility testing. These discs contain precisely measured concentrations of specific antibiotics and serve several important functions.
Next, we go in with lip liner.
Oh my god, you know what I was thinking about the other day?
What?
What factors can affect the accuracy of the Kirby-Bauer test results?
Oh my god, I just learned about that. I'm pretty sure it's bacterial density, agar thickness, agar type, pH, moisture, incubation conditions, and the disc placement. I think it's also antibiotic potency, contamination, and human error can all affect it.
Oh, that's cool.
And our final step is the Summer Fridays lip balm.
You know what I was thinking about the other day? I was in class and my teacher asked me why must the antibiotic disc be evenly separated on the agar plate? Do you know by any chance? I couldn't respond.
Oh, I know that one. Even spacing prevents overlapping zones of inhibition, ensuring accurate measurement of each antibiotic's effect.
Oh, I don't know.